welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make this dress by Jacquemus, which was worn by Gigi Hadid in 2020 Fashion Week show. So we are going to make this dress today and it is going to be very easy. So without further ado, let's start the tutorials. So the first thing that we are going to use for this dress is a fabric. I am using satin fabric. It is a very good quality fabric which is called Armani satin, but you can use any satin or any flowy fabric. The original dress was made in viscose and some other fabric mixture. Viscose is an artificial version of silk fabric, so it's totally up to you if you want to use viscose or silk fabric or satin like me. Make sure it is flowy. The next question is how much fabric is required for this dress. So if your fabric is 44 inches width, take your length from shoulder till floor, multiply it with by 2. So that for front and the back portion, it will be approximately around 3 meters if the length is 60 inches. If it is more than that, then take it around 3.5 meters, okay? But if your fabric is 60 inches like mine is 60 inches with fabric, so I have taken 2 meter fabric for this one because I'm going to cut one from upside and one from downside. I hope you will understand when I will cut it.
We are going to make the patterns first. So mark half of your shoulders, which is 7 in my case, and half of your neck width, which is usually 3 inches. Then go half inch down by the end of the shoulder line to make a shoulder slope. Join the slope line with the neck point and find the center of this slope line. From that point, mark the apex point and the waist length. Then waist to hip. Draw the bust line, waistline and the hip line. On the bust line, we will not take the half of the round bust, but on the bust line, I am taking the exactly as shoulders measurement. Join the shoulder with the bust on this point. Waist will be 1/4 of your round waist plus 1 inch for dart. Mark 1/4 of your round hips on the hip line. Draw the darts on the waistline. I am making my dart longer than usual. Now join the side points of hip, waist and the bust line. Cut the pattern and now neck portion, which is going to be from bust line till top. So this is the half side of our neck portion, and as it will be asymmetrical, we are going to add another half of it. Fold the pattern and mark the point of neck which we marked earlier and cut it. It will look like this, which we will be cutting on biased folded fabric. To make the pattern for neck, I have taken one side 5 inches and another 8. So once I fold the 8 side, it will come up 4 and still there will be a symmetrical neckline. If you notice, I haven't taken the length of the dress yet, which I will be adding on the fabric itself. But now for back pattern, copy the waist to hip portion of the front pattern without the dart. Again, for back we will be adding the length on the fabric itself. Put the pattern on the folded fabric and mark the dress length you need. If you want exact length as per the original dress, make sure to take 7-8 inches extra to your full length. Mark the pattern, add margins and cut it. For back there is a shape around the waist, so I have made that and cutting in the same way as I have done for the front. To cut the neck portion on biased fabric, fold the fabric diagonally, place the pattern and cut it. Make sure to keep the top portion of the pattern on the folded side. Instead of making straps, I am using these fancy straps which I got as a freebie long time back with a bra. Starting with the stitching by joining the sides of the biased neck fabric. As there will be a strap attached on the one corner of the neck which is shorter, so I am opening very little section of that corner to put through the strap, but you can do it while stitching the sides itself. Attaching the facing on the back waist. In front, closing the darts. This is what we have got now, and I will be cutting the hem of the dress in a curve. Joining the front and the back together. Adding the zipper on the right side. Now is the time to attach the neck section with the main dress. I am using bra strap for back. You can use elastic as well. In the original dress it seems like normal fabric strap, but it wasn't comfortable for me, so I thought to add elastic or a bra strap to feel more secure. Cutting the extra margins and folding the hem. On the left side where we have to make gathers, flat iron the margins like this. If you wish, you can make gathers, but I chose to make pleats here. Stitch the pleats in the center. Here we have got so far, but I checked the original dress and found out that it mismatched from the bottom shape, so I altered a bit from sides like this and got the final result. I love the dress. Do you? Thank you for watching. Follow me on Insta. Sayonara.